A thing which I had missed to say in the previous video was why was that cable attached. From the tanker to the metal body of the aircraft. So this is a question which I had failed to address in my previous video. So I insisted better make a short video of it where I answered this question. So why was the cable attached from the tanker to the metal body of the aircraft? So as I had stated in my previous video, that when the fuel moves through the pipe, then there is a buildup of static charge between the rubber tubing and the fuel due to frictional production of charge. So when this happens, then after the charge buildups, if too much static charge develops, then this charge might be discharged in the form of a spark. And if a spark occurs inside such a rubber tubing through which fuel is passing, since fuel is pretty explosive, all hydrocarbons are explosive, so this entire tubing might explode, and this might lead to something very disastrous. So, in order to prevent any form of spark from taking place, when too much static charge develops, the wire which is connected to the metal body of the plane helps to discharge the charge produced safely by grounding the charge. Or by earthing the charge, whatever suits you. The wire which was connected to the metal body of the plane helps to discharge the charge produced safely by grounding the charge. So, whenever there's an excess of charge, this charge is instantly grounded with the help of the metal wire which is connected from the metal body of the aircraft to the tanker, and which touches the ground. So this prevents any sort of spark from taking place, and thus ensures safety of the aircraft as well as the tanker and as well as the rubber tubing. So that's all that I needed to say.